Hey y'all, Brooke back here. I am going to add the trims. And I had these little ruches, ribbons. And then I think I'm just gonna add a piece of trim to the piece of ledger. And then I just stuck them all. And I found all these trims in a bag at a thrift store. All right, let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna add this ribbon up here so it sticks out a little bit. I need to trim it down about right there. I'll save that for something else. And I'm gonna use my 3-in-1 for this. And it is Uki. And I don't know how long it'll take for this to stick. And I want it to stick out, but not too much. There's also some old hankies in that bag. I think I paid like $2. That's why I love going in thrift stores. My daughter's always like, stinks in here. Covered up that tab a little bit. Oh, and I added tabs. I forgot to tell y'all that. I added one to the front and one to the back of each signature. And I have that tab punch, so I punched it out and added a piece of like thin sheet, I guess, material. And then a button. I added that before I started this video. That would be kind of boring to watch. I guess no more boring than this. All right, I'm gonna glue it down and then cut it. And I'm trying not to add so much bulk to this journal, but you know, that's how it goes. I'll leave a little bit at the top so I can trim it down closer. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Let's trim this off. Save that for another project and probably will not save this. All right, got that one. Then this one. This one's really cute. I have no idea what you call that. It's definitely not eyelet, or maybe some form of it. I don't know. And I'm only doing 2 pieces in each signature. I just don't want it to get overly, I don't want a piece of trim on every page. A little wasteful. There we go. Coughing again. I need to like have the lozenges up here in my craft room. If you can hear outside, sorry, the window is open. All right. Oh, this piece. And this is similar to the front. I think I made 3 of them like this and only added 1. I can't remember. I don't care if it's kind of crooked. Adds to the charm. Cute. All right, next trim. And this one is a piece of like elastic material. Probably off a bra or something. Try not to stretch it. Just gonna push it down. Yeah, I wish I could find these more often because trim is not cheap. But I did find this at the dollar store, and look at that. $1, 3 yards, man. But it only had this one, but I did buy 3 of them. And I'm not even using it in here. I got it out just in case. I didn't have enough. That was in my bag. Trim that one. I'm just gonna leave that. Next, we'll use this piece. That one is really pretty. And I'm like gluing strings together here. I always do that. Where'd we go? Oh. Losing my mind. If you see me shaking, I'm getting hungry. About that time, lunch. I don't know, these papers are sticking, pages are sticking together. That doesn't look like it. All right, trim this one off. Okay. All right, now I have this one, and I tied a piece of, or just laid down a piece of, like, I guess eyelash yarn. This one's kind of short, but I'm gonna put it up there anyway. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put those on too. Forgot to put those in there. Pattern, tissue pattern. I'm gonna put those on back here on these pockets. That's good. I'm just gonna let that flap out. All right. Then I've got this piece, which was really this, but I just cut it. It was like that wide. I just cut it in half. 2 for 1. That is, I'm gonna go ahead and trim that up straight. As straight as I can. This one's awfully meshy. It might stick to the page before it. Sticking to my thumb, definitely. All right, and then we only have one more. And then I'm gonna go put this tissue pattern paper. And then I have this one. Cute. I like how they're all different. I mean, I could have put that dollar roll all the same, but it's okay. I like different. Let me trim that up a little straighter. Pretty. Stick out a little bit more. drink. Looks like my coughing mechanism kicks in. All right, let's add these. I think I want them just like right here. Then I'll probably put a piece of ephemera over the top of them. I have this whole envelope is filled with cutouts that I've got to ink, and I found this washi tape somewhere in my stash. I think I'm going to distress the edges of those and ink them up. Anything sticking? Anything sticking? Nope. All right, where's the back of the second signature? Right here. Gotta be careful with these. They are definitely fragile. And this is an old pattern that I found. Again, in a thrift store. She had a whole box full of vintage patterns for 75 cents. Cute. And then this one. All right, let's see what it looks like from the edges. Really cute. And there's still room to tie. Yep, and there's from the top. You see? Precious. I don't know, I might go through and add some more lacy trims at the top. I might do that. I don't know. If I do, I will show it to you guys. I don't know if I'll do a video on it, but I'll show you if I added it. I may not, because I do have those paper clips that I made to stick in here, so I may not do that. All right, and I still don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I will figure it out. All right, thanks for watching. Until the next one.